Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into some awesome CMD tricks that will make you a Windows power user. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, these tips will save you time and unlock hidden features. Let's get started. Did you know you can open Command Prompt directly in any folder? Just hold Shift and right-click in the folder and select Open Command Window here, or Open PowerShell Window here, in newer versions of Windows. Super handy for quick commands. Need to check your IP address? Just type ipconfig and hit enter. Scroll down to find your IPv4 address. This is great for troubleshooting network issues or setting up connections. Want to check if a website or server is reachable? Use the ping command. For example, type pinggoogle.com and hit enter. You'll see the response time and whether the site is up. Perfect for diagnosing connectivity problems. To list all files in a directory, type dir and hit enter. You'll see a detailed list of files and folders. Add /p to pause after each screen or /w for a wide list format. Super useful for navigating folders. Did you know you can turn your PC into a Wi-Fi hotspot? First, type netwlan show drivers to check if your adapter supports it. Then, use netwlan set hosted network mode =, allow SSID =, your network name key =, your password to create the hotspot. Finally, start it with netwlan start hosted network. Boom, instant hotspot. Want to shut down or restart your PC quickly? Type shutdown per S/T0 to shut down immediately, or shutdown /R/T0 to restart. You can even schedule a shutdown by changing the /T value to the number of seconds you want to wait. And that's it. These CMD tricks will make you a Windows wizard in no time. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.